Hello, this is a short tutorial about how to convert HTML to Mathematica readable XHTML, which is unfortunate that Mathematica is not doing it from scratch. So this is the derivation of this function, a short discussion how it works, why it works. We will not do it, we just want to evaluate this function. That's the function we are using. Evaluate this. Okay, we are here. So this is how to use. We set the directory to our HTML file in our library of the books we want to convert. So we have desktop, library, Alberti, HTML, and this is what we want to convert. Choose this library, that's fine. Make the copy of this directory, so if something's going wrong, this should not. So we simply make a duplicate this, duplicate that. So if something is wrong, we have a copy. So now the file names are here. So this is working properly. So these are all the file names, these 190. These are the first three, so all this is working properly, obviously. So if they are not properly, you have to rename the thing. So maybe with the fine reader we get this kind of setup. If they are named differently, you have to rename them, and that's a mess if you have to do it by hand. This is a procedure how to do it with Mathematica. It's not too complicated, but play a little around. So in this case it's proper. So this is a function and how to use it. Directory is given. This is just to see the progress, and this is how the machine works. So you see it's reorganizing the files here, and this is the display of the progress. It's using a server in internet who is doing the actual conversion, and not to get in conflicts with the different timings and processes. It takes I take 1 second per file. So it will be 3 minutes with 180 files. Okay, that's it. It works pretty good here. Now we can check the result. Go here in Alberti, and what you see is, if we go here for with the text edit, then we see the code. So and what we have here now is XML 1.0. The old version was it's here. And here you see it's HTML 4.0. So, and in principle it's the same. These are minor differences in structure. Little unfortunate. Mathematica is able to read this, and this makes errors. Good. What is the risk is that this gets out of track. So what we have here is we have to check whether we have 0 byte files. So sorted by size, and look that all of these HTML files have bytes, actual bytes. So these are our folders, that's fine. They are not affected by this algorithm. But these are our HTML files sorted by size, and the smallest one is 5989. So all of them have code. So sometimes there is some error in synchronization, and my rough implementation of this function doesn't check it. Therefore, I wait for a second, and in 99.9% it works. If not, you have to redo this single file with your backup. So in this case, it simply worked. So we are happy. We can. Oh no! Did we check this one, or the old one? Go back. And yes, everything is fine. Good, no 0 byte, and we are good. So because of that, we can skip the backup, and now we have an XHTML version of our HTML. So ready for use. So this is how to check the result, and this is what I wanted to show. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.